हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, नमस्कार। दिस इज प्रोफेसर एस लाल, प्रोफेसर ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स एंड कंप्यूटिंग, ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर राजस्थान is again with you, and today I am here to discuss on a very useful topic. In general for all engineering students, but in particular for the student of BTech Computer Science second year. The name of the course is Optimization Technique. Now, there are several facts which decide the ability of a technocrat in the industry. The sustainability of job and the survival of a technocrat, an engineer, depends on so many factors. Because it has been a common perception that skill doesn't require any degree, and even a person having very less qualification and even non-technical may have a very practical knowledge of any particular situation handling. So we are not here to discuss about the simulation. We are not here to discuss about other facts. My target is to interact with you today that what is optimization technique, how it is useful for engineers, what is the historical background of the development of optimization technique, classification of optimization problems. These all are the topics that should be discussed, that should be known by a technocrat, irrespective of the branches. You, a student of second year, is today my target group, and I am asking a very practical and live example first of all before you to explain optimization technique. Suppose there is a rich man in your mohalla and he has 1 crore rupees. He wants to establish an industry. Imagine that industry is industry of mobile manufacturing as suggested by the relatives and parents of that rich man. Then, what are the basic requirement? Basic requirement means intellectual requirement, human resource requirement. My target is to discuss on that. The basic requirement is a small team of skilled persons. Suppose that rich person hiring you on a computer analyst post, and he has hired an MBA person also. Then initially you as engineer and a person having management master in business administration degree, both are before the owner of the company, and he is narrating his idea that what he wants to do. He is asking from you that you please give me a DPR, a detailed project report. Just I am giving you information that I have 1 crore rupees that I want to invest, and I am also telling you that my target is to start a mobile company. And to MBA person he is saying that you please suggest me the mode of marketing and other things regarding other resources, intellectual resources to be required for the smooth functioning of the industry. In that circumstance, just by getting the degree of BTech or MTech, you as an engineer may not be able to formulate the aspect, to formulate the planning, to formulate the objective, to formulate the plan, and to suggest that how by investing 1 crore rupees within 5 years the company will earn 1 crore rupees as benefit. Because you know, the basic funda behind establishment of any industry or any organization is to get benefit. And you as a technocrat, as expert of optimization technique there, are supposed to give a suggestion that how to minimize the cost and maximize the benefit. Means, if you are engineer, if you are saying that you are computer science engineer, then my expectation as a teacher from you is that you are knowing the tact of optimization. in your kitchen you see there is a live example of optimization. Your mummy is ready to cook dinner for all 5 members of your family, and at a time 10 relatives of your mummy reach at your home all on a sudden. She arrange dinner for them also. In the same amount she has taken for cooking at that very night. And the technique used by your mummy during the visit of guest is optimization of the items she cooked at that moment. So optimization technique is what? It is such a branch of computing. It is such a specific branch of engineering in which we study the handling of business and different tacts and technique of optimization so that we can minimize the cost and maximize the benefit. Suppose you have suggested that rich person who has established company, he should hire 100 fourth grade employee, only 2 managers, 60 trucks, and so, without any trial, without any testing, without any formulation, without any objective, without deciding any function, without deciding any variable. You have suggested and the money has diverted, 1 crore amount has been diverted to the different heads. This is the root cause of flopping of 90% industries, companies, because the base of the company has become weak due to the non-optimization technique. Just I am giving you another example that what is optimization technique, how it is important for you. Suppose your name is Ramesh and your elder brother name is Mohan, and after his graduation, after his BA, he is suffering from the problem of unemployment, and your papa is a retired person. Anyway, he is giving him 50,000 rupees, 50,000 rupees to your elder brother to go in the market and start a business. The friend of Mohan, means your elder brother, are suggesting him that he should start a business of table and chair and he can get more benefit, because in 50,000 no other business is possible as his friend had suggested him. So he is just starting, he is planning to start a business of furniture. So he take a room at rent, and he finds that the capacity of the room is to store 500 table and chairs in all the rooms he is hiring for his business purpose, for his go down and for his soap jointly. Means 500 table and chair he can put in his store, including his soap in his go down. The capacity is of 500 table plus chair. Now he consult with a wholesaler of furniture, and he came to know that the cost of a chair is 250 rupees and the cost of a table is 500 rupees. And the wholesaler is saying that on the selling of a particular chair he can get benefit of 50 rupees easily, and on a selling of table he can get benefit of 150 rupees easily. Now your brother Mohan is confused that how many chairs and how many tables he should purchase from the money he has so that he can get maximum benefit. Again, this is a problem of optimization, because without calculation, if you are purchasing more table or if you are purchasing more chairs, and if you are investing all your money, then what is the certainty that you are going to be benefited? So, students, in my opinion, optimization technique give you a very clear and sharp understanding that in dealing with any business concern, you can draft the total story that what you want to do. After writing all the points, first step, what you want to say, what amount you have, what product you are going to produce, how you are going to invest, each and everything you are writing one by one, and then you are formulating in the form of equation or inequations by using some functions. And then you will be bewildered, you will be happy to see, you will be happy to know that there are different formulae, there are different aspects. With the help of them, it is very much easy to analyze the actual data or approximate data, what you can term it, for the case you have taken for your study, for the case you have taken as a challenge. And these matter, the solution of these problems give you a special position in your industry, and you are supposed that you are a skilled one. So optimization technique is very much important for you, and I hope that every student of engineering should learn this. Branch of computation. students of IIT are supposed that they are very much genius. They are getting good packages. Why? The perception of the company is that they have very good knowledge of optimization. So why not you as a student of Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University? I hope you will know more optimization technique than those who claim that they are belonging to a very reputed central government organization. So dear student, I hope that you have understand that what is optimization technique. In the next session I will be discussing you the historical background, that means when optimization technique first of all came into existence, and then we shall try to classify the optimization problem into different categories. Thank you. Jai Hind.